resist. You gotta get hurt.
I'm doing it.
Don't resist. All right. Play this game only so long. Relax your hand.
She wasn't running from the police. She was demanding proof they were police. At one of the busiest airports in the United States, the dispute wasn't about a weapon or a warrant. It was about a name and whether the law required her to give one.
What's going on?
Yeah.
Do you trespass yet?
I mean, she didn't leave, but she's gonna get trespass. This is gonna be her choice.
Okay. Are you leaving?
Yeah. Who are you?
Who do I look like?
I don't know.
I'm the police. Get your stuff together. Let's go. They want
Which
you out of
police
here.
are you? I don't know which company you're with. Which outfit are you?
Orlando.
Orlando what? Orlando what?
Orlando Police. Quit playing games. Put your stuff together. Let's go. Okay?
Orlando Police.
Yes.
You didn't know what you were for a minute. You're not the sheriff. You almost said sheriff.
Let's go.
You almost said it.
They want you to go. Let's go.
Orange County Sheriff's Office, do you have the district for the airport?
All right. Ma'am? Have you trespassed her yet?
The Orlando, the OIA.
This is the first time that we intervened.
Okay.
We were very
Are you going to trespass her? Because
flexible.
obviously she's being...
Yes, can you give me that number, please?
You guys got a paper?
Thank you. Who are you with?
Okay.
Who are you with? Wait. Let me get that real quick. 407, hold on a minute. I forgot to tell them about
You
that.
have your ID on you, ma'am?
407? No, I don't.
You have no
say
ID
it
on you?
again? No, I don't. 825, hold
What's
on
your
a minute.
name?
825. I want to talk with the cop for a minute.
Okay, the cops are here. If you don't stop playing
go ahead.
games...
825? What's the of it? 2065. Okay, hold on. 2065. Can you say the name of that again? I'm sorry, what's the name of them again?
I was going to call one of the guys working to come in.
Oh, okay, alright. So, Orlando Police Department doesn't have any jurisdiction.
What's your first
here.
name? What's your first name?
Oh, wait, you can't tell me one or another, so, who are you?
Did you leave her name yet?
Orange County Sheriff's Office.
Ma'am,
Okay,
hang the phone up.
Sheriff's Office. Okay, so, we're about the aviation office.
I'm done. I'm done.
All right,
Got ID?
If you don't leave,
You didn't leave, you're going to jail. Give me your name. Turn around. Turn around and give me your name.
So I'm done. Let's go. If I
We're
say
done.
anything
Give me
more,
your name.
then you go to jail for that. You know that, right? If I said anything more, then I would be obstructing your justice.
No, you're not. Give me your name. What's your name?
No. I've got these fake cops right here trying to talk to me.
I go then. You gotta go. If you don't go, you
Oh, I should talk to them.
Go.
I talk to them. Who are you with?
Orlando Police Department.
Orlando Police
And
Department.
you're being trespassed. If you don't leave, you're going to go to jail.
Why do you keep looking over there like you're like it's
Because I want you to leave.
That's the door.
Why
That's
you
the
over
door.
there? Every time you talk,
That's the door.
it's over there.
Because you need to leave. We don't want you to go to jail.
It's disrespectful in our culture to do that. As I look at somebody,
Got too close to me.
It's disrespectful.
That's no one's being
I
disrespecting
didn't
you.
disrespect you.
You are being trespassed. You need to go. All right? We don't want to take you to jail because that's what's going to happen. They ask you to leave multiple times. All right?
But you don't run this here.
They do.
I just called.
I don't, but they do.
Right. But
They already asked you to
who has
leave.
jurisdiction here isn't you guys.
It don't matter. Okay? It's
I
irrelevant.
wanted to talk to you who had jurisdiction because
It's
I don't
relevant.
believe your outfit.
Okay? What does it look like, this outfit?
I looks like you're a G.I. Joe. I don't believe your outfit.
You look like G.I. Joe?
Yeah, G.I. Joe.
No? It's definitely Orlando
So
Police
G.I. Joe's a
Department.
little bit taller.
Okay. You are going to go to jail if you don't leave.
For
Okay?
what?
For trespass after warning. They have control of the airport.
my
They already
pa-
asked you.
Where's my piece of paper for my trespass?
Okay, well, give him your name. We'll give it to you.
So you can't even trespass after warning. You never even trespass to begin with.
Okay, well, you're being
Did you catch-
trespassed
did you
now.
catch-
Don't come back.
Hey, you're Asian. You should be smarter
This is
than
a...
that.
Nope.
You're supposed to be
That's
smarter than
irrelevant.
that. You're supposed to be
Irrelevant.
smarter than that.
Irrelevant.
Ah, you should be smarter than that.
Irrelevant. Your verbal warning. All right.
Can I get a picture of you guys? This would be great.
Go.
This would be great.
You need to go.
Tell the FBI this would be great.
You need to go. You need to
ready?
go.
I take a picture.
You need to go.
I'm kidding. I'm getting going.
All right, the bus is over there. Install it. Oh, no?
All the way down.
No, it's down that
Nope,
way.
right there, all the way down.
Are you sure?
150%.
Can you push my cart?
Absolutely not. Okay, stop digging in your bag. You gotta go over there. Okay?
My phone, so I can get to know where I'm going.
Here, I don't know if you got a weapon in there or not.
Yeah, I ain't got no weapon here. Look in here. Look in here. The phone.
Okay, let's go.
Hey,
Let's go.
Yeah, that dog. That's a dog. There's one.
Looks like one.
Fake dog.
All right, let's go. I don't know what's the wait.
I'm trying to get a phone up.
You gotta go. Okay, let's go. You got the phone, so let's
I'm trying to record
go.
this conversation.
Let's go.
I'm trying to record this conversation.
Let's go. You need to go now.
Right. I'm going.
Okay, but you're not going. You're not walking.
I'm going. I need a fake conversation. That's all I want. Just give me that.
Go. You need
I
to
need
move.
a fake conversation.
You need to move.
Go.
You need to move.
Hey, hold on. You have my devices. One
You need to
second.
move.
Hold on 1 second.
All right, listen to
You
these
might
gentlemen.
like
Listen to these
Hold on.
gentlemen.
1 second.
No, you are not running this show. Listen to this gentleman.
Oh, okay, now.
Just say it. We'll record it. Just say that he's being trespassed in our way.
Oh, okay. What's your name? What's your name?
I need your name because I got to give you this piece of paper. What's your name?
Yeah, give me this piece of paper. What kind of paper is that? You're supposed to
You
state what it
refusing to
is.
give me your ID?
What?
I need
You're
your
supposed
ID.
to state what the
Do you
paper is,
need
not
your?
this piece
I
of
need your
paper.
ID.
I need to give you this piece of paper.
Are you refusing?
What is your name? What's your name?
Put your hand behind your back. I'm done with this. Don't resist. You gotta get it.
I'm doing it.
Don't resist. All right. Play this game only so long. Relax your hand. All right. Come over here and have a seat. Right here. Back. You got it.
Hey, you don't have to keep.
We're gonna switch over here. We're just bringing you over to the seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Turn around and have a seat.
He's patting me down, dude. Why don't you check in with the other officer, make sure everything's okie dokie
All right. Have a seat.
before you give a command, huh?
All right. Where's your ID at?
I don't have one. Y'all
You
are
gotta
supposed
give
to
him
give
a
me
name.
one.
What's your
I'll
first
give him his
name?
name.
I reported.
What's your
It's
last name?
stolen.
What's stolen? Your ID?
No, it's stolen.
That's your last
I
name?
reported it to you guys.
Okay, well, we can help you get a new one. What's your last name?
I need a lawyer.
You can have one when you're after jail. I put you in as Jane Doe and you sit there until they figure out who you are.
You're gonna be there for 90 days.
Makes no difference to me, or you can give me your name and we'll work it out some other way.
Don't
I
matter.
need my lawyer.
Okay. Jane Doe. Perfect.
I got no name, so take a picture of her so we got her.
Please take the bag away from my nose so she can move around. She's squished in there. She's squished.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Turn around. You can turn around now.
Mhm.
Thank you. You can turn around now.
Okay, 15.
But what do you-
But you got a dog.
I ain't taking that shit.
I know.
Well, what do we do with it in these situations?
If Goa won't take it,
Animal
you
control.
Huh?
Animal control, maybe.
Oh, I did not hear. I didn't hear animal.
A dog.
Dog. Where's the dog?
In the.
Oh, tiny dog. Oh, that is a problem. Is there a jab? Is she homeless?
She's not giving any information.
Lawyer? Lawyered up.
Lawyered up.
Well, no, but
She's not giving any information.
she doesn't care what happens to her dog.
I'm trying to call animal control.
She won't say a word.
Oh, okay. I don't know if you were aware. We're gonna be calling animal control for your pup here, unless you had somebody to to take him for us, or for you, I guess. Yeah, somebody got to take these back.
Got nobody. I'll get her when I get out.
Because they don't take the, what, sorry?
I'll get her when I get out.
From animal, yeah, it'll be with animal control, probably at the Orange County.
You can go anywhere but animal control, and that's where I pick her up from. Nobody comes to pick
Okay.
up my dog.
Yeah, they're coming here to pick her up. She's not a passenger, right? She's just transient?
Yes.
Okay.
No, not a transient.
Or you don't have business here at the airport is what I mean?
Yeah, I was gonna eat here.
No. Well, okay, not a flight though, which is what the purpose of an airport is. You don't have a flight out of here?
No.
Okay, gotcha. All right. I'm asking for your bags because the jail won't take your bags.
Shopping here. It's like a mall. Y'all are mall cops.
You ain't getting on that one.
Yeah. All she has to do is just leave it.
What's that?
All she has to do is just
Oh, sorry, acting mall cop.
acting mall cop.
Heck yeah. Yeah, I'd actually like. They're not just gonna give you a dog that belongs to somebody else if they don't have a name that's attached to the dog. So, and then also at the jail, if you're under Jane Doe, they may just hold you until they identify you properly.
She's got a tag on her. That tag's got my name on it.
What's your name on it?
Yeah, go to the vet, get the tag off of her, and it'll say my name. Yeah.
But why are you making it so difficult?
Yeah, you couldn't sell so I don't mess.
Because you can't trespass somebody without handing them that paperwork first. You can't put me in cuffs and take me to jail yet.
They absolutely can. You're
Well,
misinformed.
that's what I'm fighting for.
Okay, you can, but you are misinformed. All you had to do was leave.
I was leaving. I'm out the door. I was over there sleeping.
No, you weren't.
Oh, I wasn't sleeping right there.
Yeah, exactly.
I was over there inside sleeping.
Okay, but you can't do that. This is a private property.
Okay, but I was leaving. I'm outside the door. We are outside,
weren't.
not inside no more. See?
No, you were not leaving. Because you would not be in this position if you were leaving.
Over there, I was sleeping inside with air conditioning. We were outside.
I'm not going to argue with you,
This
but I'm saying you should have just left.
is leaving. Yes, it is.
Hey,
Yes. And to get your guys' photo.
Bro, are you joking?
Yeah. Needed that. Yeah, sure did. Y'all got my photo.
Why don't they do
all
these
day,
sweeps?
But you know what? Your little cameras, they go missing all of a sudden. All of a sudden, they go
Nope.
missing.
It's been recording the whole time.
You sure? I think it's dead.
100%.
It's blinking.
It's 100% recording.
Right.
But the moment I talk to you there, it's recording.
His is blinking.
He's in stealth mode. I want to make sure everybody knows.
I think that mine was recording before yours.
That don't matter. I mean, it's
Pretty sure mine was recording before yours.
it's been recording the whole time.
Do you lie to your boyfriend like that? You're gay, right?
Boyfriend?
Yeah. Lie to your boyfriend like that?
There's a little
What's that-
container
what's that
or
doing anything?
bag here. Apparently it's a small dog.
My personal life is
Her
irrelevant.
information's on the dog's collar, but I'm not
You
going
would be so
there.
faithful to him because you're such a bad liar.
Hmm?
You would be so faithful to your boyfriend.
I'm lying because why? Because of my boyfriend?
I said you must be a phenomenal boyfriend
Oh,
and never cheat on him
that's-
because you suck at lying.
I think so. I think I'm a phenomenal boyfriend, but
So, yeah.
you know, that's just my opinion, though.
Well, then you're a great boyfriend and you're a psychopath.
I mean,
So that makes
that's
bad actors.
that's your opinion. Well, I'm not really an actor. You know, I wish I am, but I'm not. So I can't act. So what am I supposed to do?
All right, man, we gotta go.
280.
26.
Do you need anything on here? Everything, and especially what's in it.
All right, we're gonna go. We're gonna take a quick ride upstairs to the officer that's gonna be taking it to jail.
How do I need to go upstairs?
You know, right over here. Oh yeah.
And you run both hands underneath and grab my kids in the front, right?
Who's are those? Are those yours?
If you
I was
have
like-
anything, let us know now. I have.
I learned that
That's it, okay.
like 10 years ago.
Yes, I do have stuff that you wouldn't know where it was at because I don't. No.
Go. I'm gonna put this back. This one's good. I'm gonna put this back on your head. All right.
Go ahead, have a seat.
Yeah, show us on. If you want to slide long ways,
If you gotta go
I
this
know
way?
those- yeah, you got
There
it.
you go.
It'll be a short trip. We're going right upstairs, and the truck will hopefully be a little bigger.
Florida does not have a blanket stop and identify statute. Section 856.21, the state's closest equivalent, applies only when officers detain someone for loitering or prowling. A trespass investigation does not trigger that same authority to demand identification. That legal distinction is why the pre-arrest refusal carried no criminal penalty under Florida law. When a suspect in custody invokes the right to counsel, Miranda versus Arizona requires interrogation to stop. The rule applies immediately and regardless of how minor the underlying charge may be. Pennsylvania versus Muniz carved out a narrow exception for routine biographical questions collected during booking. That exception covers name and date of birth for institutional records, not continued questioning to establish identity for prosecution. The line between those two purposes is precisely where the constitutional exposure in this encounter begins. When a property manager or authorised agent delivers a verbal departure order on private or controlled access land, it carries immediate legal weight. Demanding written confirmation before complying may feel reasonable in the moment. It does not delay the legal clock that begins running the moment those words are spoken. When a person in custody invokes the right to counsel, the investigative portion of that encounter should end. Any identification demanded afterward, for purposes beyond routine intake, risks becoming inadmissible as the product of a constitutional violation. When a law enforcement directive appears legally questionable, the courts are the safer venue for that challenge. Remaining on the property extends legal exposure with every passing minute and gives officers a clearer basis for arrest. The footage here does not present a case of excessive force or bad faith policing. What it presents, and what the law requires examining, is the gap between a procedurally sound arrest and a constitutionally required conversation.